Where is Riko's ball? It's gone. Riko and Max play with a red ball at the sunny park. Riko and Max kick the ball back and forth happily. The grass is green and the sky is blue. Then Max calls Riko to look at some birds. Riko puts the ball down on the grass. The two friends run off together. A little later, Riko wants the ball again, but the ball is gone. Riko looks all around, but the ball is lost. Max sees Riko's sad face. Max does not feel okay either. Feeling sad about a lost toy happens to everyone. Riko and Max want to find the ball. The ball is gone. Riko and Max look behind the trees. Riko and Max look and look, but the ball is still lost. Nana watches from a tall branch above. When something is lost, try to remember your steps, says Nana. Walk back to where you played and look again. Riko stops and thinks, wanting to find the ball. Where did we walk? Where did we play? Riko remembers. We walked by the big tree first. Riko and Max walk back to the big tree. Riko and Max look under the low branches carefully. Riko and Max want to find the ball together. There it is! The lost ball is under the tree. Riko is not sad anymore. Max cheers. You found it, Riko. You found it, Riko. Lost a toy? Look and find it. High five. See you next time in Sunny Forest.
Riko World, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in Riko World, hooray! Riko World,